Unlock the secrets of your memory box. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unlock the charming and evocative phrase, memory box. This term paints a picture in our minds and pulls at the strings of our hearts, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what a memory box is but also be able to use the phrase in your conversations and writings. Let's get started and dive into the world of memories. The term memory box refers to a literal box where people keep mementos and keepsakes that are special to them. These items are usually small, tangible pieces of the past that represent memories, events, or people that are significant in one's life. It's like a treasure chest for personal history. Each object in a memory box has a story behind it, and together, they create a physical narrative of someone's life. Beyond the physical box, memory box can be used metaphorically to describe a person's ability to retain and cherish memories within their mind. When we say someone has a memory box, it means they have a strong recollection of past experiences that they treasure and often reflect upon. This can be a beautiful way to talk about memories with students, as it gives a personal touch to the process of remembering. Now that you know what a memory box is, let's put it into practice. Here are some examples of how to use memory box in a sentence. I have a memory box at home filled with all my concert tickets and festival wristbands. Grandma's memory box was full of old photographs and letters from her youth. My trip to Venice was a significant addition to my mental memory box of travels. Using the phrase in various contexts helps to expand your vocabulary and expressive ability in English. It's fascinating to see that the concept of a memory box exists across different cultures. While the items inside may vary greatly, the sentimental value and purpose of preserving memories remain universal. In this section, we can discuss the unique objects that might be found in memory boxes around the world, showcasing the diversity and similarity of what we cherish. Creating a memory box is a personal and creative process. You can choose any type of box and fill it with items that mean something to you. This section can include some tips and ideas for selecting items for your memory box and how to personalize it to reflect your journey and experiences. Thank you for watching. I hope you now have a deeper understanding of what a memory box is and how you can use this phrase to add depth to your English conversations and writings. Whether it's a physical box or a collection of precious moments in your mind, your memory box is a powerful reminder of who you are and where you've come from. So, what will you put in your memory box? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you next time.